Somewhere in America right now, someone is pressing that red Create Channel button, not knowing that one small decision might change their entire life. And today, maybe that person is you. Welcome to the YouTube Mastery Series, Episode 1. If you want to start a YouTube channel in 2026, grow fast, and finally find your place in this massive digital world, then trust me, you are in the right place. Before we start, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe, because this series will be the turning point of your YouTube journey. Why start a YouTube channel in 2026? 2026 is not just another year. This is the year where YouTube, AI, and global audiences are exploding like never before. People are watching more long-form content than ever, learning everything from YouTube, trusting creators more than TV, and most importantly, YouTube is paying creators more. If you ever wanted to build a career, a brand, a business, or a voice that reaches millions, then this is the best time to begin. Choose your niche, the most important step. If the niche selection is wrong, the entire channel will be ruined. So take notes. You need a niche that matches these 3 things. You love talking about it. People actively search for it. It has long-term earning potential. Best niches in 2026: AI and tech, storytelling, USA life, divorce court, relationships, motivational, finance/side hustles, gaming, educational short lessons, commentary/reaction, tutorials, YouTube, editing, AI tools. Pick one. Channel setup. Step by step. 1. Create your Google account. Simple but important. Use a professional name, not something random. 2. Channel name. Rule: simple plus memorable plus niche relevant. Examples: AI Insight Hub, True USA Stories, Digital Mindset Lab. 3. Logo and banner. Keep it clean. Use Canva or AI generator. 4. About section. Write what you do, who your videos are for, your upload goals. This helps the algorithm understand you faster. Your first video strategy. Your first video should not be perfect. It just needs to be done. Use this formula: hook plus problem plus story or value plus CTA. Don't overthink. Don't delay for 10 days thinking the thumbnail isn't perfect. Just start. Avoid these mistakes. Most new creators fail because they try too many niches, upload once a month, copy without understanding, fear criticism, quit in the first 60 days. Remember, the first 30 videos are your training ground. Give yourself permission to be bad so you can become great. Final motivation. A few months from now, you will look back at this very moment and say, "This is where my journey began." You don't need perfection. You need courage. You don't need the best camera. You need consistency. And you don't need millions of subscribers. You just need one step forward. Let's take that step together. If you found value in this episode, hit like, comment, and subscribe, because in Episode 2, we dive deep into the YouTube algorithm, explained in the simplest way ever. Welcome to the journey. Welcome to the future. Welcome to YouTube Mastery.